Hello everyone, welcome to a new video for Bitcoin price update based on Elliott wave analysis. And of course, as a short update, what is going on here in Bitcoin. So as we said in the last video, yeah, we might hit, of course, still the fibs of the 0.5 fib level, taken, of course, from the top till the bottom here of this impulse, and we just hit it exactly there at 70,523. Now the question is, are we done with this impulse? Because of course this is a wave C after an A, B, and a C, right? You are looking for 5 waves towards the upside. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. A very extended wave 5. However, this why wave 5 has finished? Well, looking at it on the 15-minute chart, no, I cannot say that this wave has finished. However, that because of, I cannot consider this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 because it can be, of course, this is a triangle here as we counted today. So I cannot start my count from here. Therefore, this is your wave 1. Okay, this is your wave 1. And that tells us that this might be a contracting diagonal as 2, 3, 4, and a 5, right? So this is the only possibility that I see here, to be honest, to finish that wave towards the upside. Otherwise, if we invalidate this contracting diagonal, I mean, yeah, it can transform directly to a WXY, which is a finished correction and even continuation from there towards the downside, which it can be, yeah, very, very possible. And by all means, WXY is that this is ABC has finished here, right? Because we still need one more wave to finish a wave 5, right? It cannot be 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5 with just double waves towards the upside. By all means, now, we still have, of course, some time. We still have some range, of course, to finish this contracting diagonal, as you can see. So this trend should not be broken, because once we break this trend, means that this wave became bigger or longer than this wave, which is, the 4 and the 2. The 4 should be always smaller than your wave 2. And by all means, it should be always contracting to the inside and not to the outside. So it brings us then, of course, for one more wave towards the upside to finish at least the count at the same fib level. Of course, we need to take the high a little bit, and then, of course, we can claim that this wave has finally finished as 3 waves towards the upside. 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. And in that case, we're gonna finish a wave 5, we're gonna finish a wave C as an expanding flat, and we're gonna finish a major wave B for a zigzag coming from the all-time high, I mean on the 15-minute chart here, and then of course going down with impulse towards the downside, where we are looking 1, 2, 3, 4, and a 5. Your wave 5 also is also a contracting diagonal here. No, because we didn't took the wave 1. The 4, it didn't interfere in your wave 1. Therefore, it's still a very valid impulse towards the downside. So this is the thing. Like we have a clear impulse now, and this might be, guys, of course, your wave A, as we said, and you might now finish 3 waves corrective for a wave B, and then, of course, continuation towards the downside, since this is a trend direction on a short-term scenario, right? Of course, on a big scenario, if we go back to the daily, we are still, of course, in a bullish scenario, guys. We're not giving up on the bearish here, on the bullish scenario, of course. For the daily, we are still, don't forget that we are still above the correction channel now in this very, very critical area and zone. However, the last time we couldn't reach it. Now, are we gonna fall back even lower? Very, very probably. So this is what it could be, where we can have an ABC and then of course still calling our diagonal or our triple 1-2s here, as we mentioned in the morning, right? Those fibs now are very, very interesting, especially this area. And especially this area where our ABC can lead us to it, right? Directly, right? Directly to this zone where we have to be careful for the 63,170. This is a very, very critical area because at this point here, okay, officially you have finished a wave 1-2 for a diagonal and as well a triple 1-2 officially. Okay, so that might be a very, very critical point, guys, of a reverse towards the upside. So to be watched and be careful from it. So yeah, let's check this step by step. We need now first to finish this last small leg towards the upside to finish, of course, this wave 5. Otherwise, yeah, it's gonna transform into ABC. All right, or WXY inside a WXY. Okay, so but I don't think so. Yeah, I think we still gonna take that one wave towards the upside and start moving towards the downside. So that was it. Of course, once we break, guys, once we break this trend line, this is your confirmation that you have ended, right? Once we break this parallel trend, we can confirm from here, okay, that all right, we're diving down. Okay, there is no more wave. All right, guys. So anyway, be careful from the volatility, guys. The results of the elections are getting closer. So see you in the next ones. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your likes and comments. See you in the next one. Bye bye.